enter in the compensatory energetic archive from a container like the brain, or in this place other dates in a whole neuronal aspect, and is forming now another container. We can call it proper. It happened now that the collective conscience and the unconscious in an archetype way are melting now, and as a result of this, a new intelligent coefficient, at least for this ego, which is in this situation. There are a lot of things proved according at mind's behavior and the human model's archetypes. These dates now are entering at the proper dates bank and at the imaginary and lie open whole bank just named. Take the dates of the plasma, in which are contained a lot of programs, and across the mind's capacity pass these dates at the substance, or from the substance at the plasma, and is done a concept, any concept, a house, a dog, anything you wish. Why not a flying saucer? This procedure is real and observed perfectly by the human senses. The laser, the mirrors, the holograms, and three-dimensional procedures in plasmatic ways make it touchables. Nothing new to science. All of this used in secrets projects, not so secrets as you see. And is real the object you see? Of course it is, but still is a product of mind. This is a connection with the proper mind, with the superior intelligence of the proper elevated being or ego, which is down in their vibrations, leveling a third dimension in order to make concepts. The esoteric people know well this. And now, what about extraterrestrials' connections? It's done only when you are entering across the proper superior being at another models and thoughts band, pertaining at another levels of intelligences and minds. Difference only in the direct and experimented connection. It's easy to whom are on it, by results of putting the body and mind in direct surrender, far away of fears and identifications. If it's not in this way, it's just a mentalism. Day 5 of February 1997, over the beach of the great river in Jujuy, Argentine Republic. I'm Hugh Batallanos. I was summoned at this place to take these pictures I'm showing now, in which you can see this spacecraft or flying saucer reaching on. Here is making a special movement over the trees near the river. Movements out of logic in earth concepts, now in normal form. Here is reaching on another spacecraft. We call this flying hat. Please look, it's behind the cloud, and now it's out of the cloud. Now here is another flying hat, joining with the first, and together making movements so light and marvelous, and I was astonished taking pictures. Please look this. Isn't it great? These spacecraft are called OVNI, from distant civilizations. We cannot compare these machines with nothing now on Earth. So light, and on ground so heavy, impossible to understand with Earth concepts. Now we can see at the same place, the same day, another spacecraft. But the most impressive of this picture is the way in which it's forming in the third dimension. Now here a part, right part, more solid, more big, and now complete. This spacecraft is armed. This kind of material in photographs is not usual, and was obtained by me. Previous messages they sent me to come to this place and take the pictures. And here the spacecraft flying over the surroundings of the river, and as always, over the cables. This spacecraft is from Venus planet. Look at here. This kind of a spaceship called Fusenok Estandida, basic from inside of Earth, from people who are living there. It's a powerful light, but it's of substance, and now of course by men. So powerful the light, like the sun, but impossible the sun making this. We consider this like a real proof of connection with something of another world. Look at this. The same day, the same place, the same photographer, me. This is a spaceship called Muslavar, from Kronos civilization. It's from a dimension called Permiana. And inside was a brother of us called Ask, who permit me to take these pictures. This